The first step of FQC is to check the process card instructions. Check the physical board and the process card item by item. Confirm the board's material number and model. Check that each process on the process card is signed. Check the material, solder mask color, character color, number of character size, and orientation. Confirm that the cycle code is correct. Surface treatment process inspection. Check the standard insertion requirements. Check if the electric test stamp is fully covered and correct position. Check for missing special processes such as blue glue. Strictly implement the special requirements in the flow card. The second step is to divide directions and surfaces. Distinguish the front and back of the products and place them in the same direction. Check the appearance dimensions for missing outline lines, whether it's oversized or undersized. Check for uneven edges, substrate damage, delamination, bad burrs. Non-rectangular and irregular plates are checked simultaneously. Check the overall appearance quality of the board edge. The third step is edge sorting and guiding inspection. Check if there is any missing V-cut. Expose the bevel process. Strictly inspect the appearance of the four sides. Check for defects such as exposed copper scratches. All products must have complete edges. The fourth step is to stack the plates and check the shape. Check the holes on both sides. Stack 3 to 5 sets according to the plate thickness. Check if there are missing, unrouted, or drilled holes. Check the holes with reverse light. Check burrs, copper bumps, plugged holes, ink-in holes, MPTH hole, residual copper, etc. Check both sides of the board. The fifth step is to inspect the appearance of the board. Stack the plates neatly. The stacking height should not exceed 50 mm. Use the top-down, left to right, and inspect each area in an S-shaped route. After the single-sided inspection, turn over the stack. The sixth step is to check the physical quantity. After the inspection of the entire batch of panels, carefully count the physical finished product quantity, the number on the process card. Place the batch of boards 20 sets apart. After checking, then it can enter the next process. The seventh step is to release qualified products. Qualified shipment. After confirming that the physical quantity of all items, sign and confirm in the corresponding column of the process card. The qualified products are neatly organized and shipped normally.